Class, how are you today? I do want to say as we get near the end of week 2 that I have read some outstanding questions and narratives in our week 2 Packback. You're really doing well at focusing on the theorists and their ideas as they apply to classroom instruction and early childhood education. I was really pleased to see that. Thank you, everyone. Now you should be ready to move on to responding to the questions that your classmates have posted. Be sure to do a little research on the topic of their question and focus as you use some critical thinking to connect their question to early childhood education, especially when it comes to instruction. How's it going to impact you and the children in the classroom? I posted an announcement yesterday and also sent it as an email, a reminder about your week 2 assignment. You need to review those items carefully along with the entire instructions that are included in our week 2 module. I hope you take the suggestions and run with them. They should be helpful to you as you move forward to complete your first draft and then review it carefully using the scoring rubric to be sure you've included everything. And also don't forget Grammarly. We've been using that in journals, but you should also use that in written assignments. You don't have to post it or cut and paste it like you did in the journal, but I really advise you to use it. I use it all the time. I hope you do too. Everyone have a great weekend. Thank you.